Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can quickly add a glitch transitions to your videos on CapCut. So in here, I've already prepared my clips, and I want to add a glitches transition for all of my clips. So what you need to do is just click on the transition box and go to the glitch tab. So there will be lots of options, but I personally gonna be using this color glitch. Then you can just adjust on how much the glitch you want to appear. I'm going to go with 0.5 seconds. Then I'm going to click on apply to all clips. Click on a check icon, and here is the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.